Hello guys, this is your boy Sindana Nasdaq speaking, and I would like to thank all those people who have been supporting me. And yeah, first of all, Happy New Year. Uh, I'm sure this year gonna be a better year, even though it might not be a best year. And I thank those who have been supporting me on various platforms like YouTube and Telegram and Instagram, and I thank those who have been motivated by me and the students that I've encouraged to follow what I've done till I became where I am right now. And today's video just gonna be all about the watch list. And since today the Sunday the market's gonna open at 11:30, 23:30 there, if I'm not mistaken. And the purpose of this video is just to make a watch list for this year. You know, like most of the traders, they always trade like their watch lists are just messed up. They can have like 15 to 20 to 25 watch list of currencies and stuff, indexes and cryptocurrency and stuff, which is really not good because you'll get tempted to just trade any pair that you see that is colliding to your setups and your confirmation and stuff. As a trader, as an investor, you have to have a watch list where you can only trade certain pairs. So like for me, I'm going to trade uh, 8 pairs, 8 pairs for this year. And let's get it. Let's not waste time and let's just add the watch list. And let's add the watch list. The first pairs that I'm going to look for to trade this year is gonna be Nasdaq. Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq and S&P 500, German 40, which is DAX, and Dow Jones US 30, which is CAC if I'm not mistaken, CAC, and a Australian 200 index. Okay, those are the only pairs that I'm going to trade for now in terms of indexes. So these are like 5 pairs. I'm not gonna trade like Japanese index. No, I'll just delete. I'm not gonna trade Japanese index. The currencies that I'm going to trade, GJ, which is Euro, USD, GBP, GPY, and Euro, USD, Euro, USD, and GJ. Okay, those are the pairs that I'm going to monitor. Like that, those are the only pairs that I'll be trading. I forgot one pair, which is GU, which is Jewish GBP USD pound dollar. Let me just edit pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar. Yeah. That's it. There is these are the only pairs that I'm going to trade. I'm not gonna add, or I'm not gonna take out one. So let me just make this so I make it disappear, because I'm not gonna trade this Japanese stock index or market. So guys, these are the only pairs that I'm going to trade. Is Nasdaq, um, S&P 500. I don't think this is S&P 500. Let me check. Let me check. Where is it? S&P 500. Okay. Anyway, if S&P 500, and let me see. I think this is a S&P 500. So this gonna go out. This gonna go out. I'm gonna delete it. This is a real account, by the way, guys. This is my real account. Did not deposit yet. I will deposit as soon as I start by Thursday. That is when I'm gonna start the year with my first deposit, which is gonna be roughly like 5,000 or 2,000. Yeah. Let me just delete this because it's gonna create some mess. Let me delete this space X or something. I don't know what that is, because brokers have different names. Okay, the only place that I'm going to trade, they are probably 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, they are 8. Nasdaq, German 40, US 30, Australian 200, Euro USD, GJ, GU, and S&P 500. So guys, it is very important for you guys to make your watch list. Take the 7 or maybe 5 or 3 best pairs that you gonna trade, and then it's gonna really help you. It's gonna really help you in your trading, because if you just master the movement of those pairs, if you just monitor them, you will know when to enter, when to exit, because it will be easier, because you'll be analyzing everything all along, and then it will be very, very, very easy for you to make a consistent amount of money if you are having a few watch lists, depending on what are you gonna trade. So guys, let me check what's gonna be on Nasdaq. Let me see this. I always start from daily time frame to see the movement. I know I'm analyzing I'm analyzing on the phone, so the screen will be small. Okay, let me see. The previous lows were here. And my strategy is based upon the trend lines and formation of candlesticks and candlestick patterns as well. So I'm seeing the previous lows and then the daily high. Okay, then I'm gonna go on smaller time frames. So I add down some source. As you can see here, there have been a couple of rejections here. It's gonna this level gonna be probably it was a support. I mean, it was a resistance here first, then the market break above, make some couple of rejection, and then break in again, which means it was first a resistance and then become support. Now it become resistance again. So from here, I'm anticipating the Nasdaq, since it didn't manage to make previous record. Since it did not manage to make to form new highs, so it might probably this might be probably a correction, since the market moves in impulse and a correction. So since my strategy is based on patterns, candlestick channels, trend line trend line trend line it's based on trend lines and candlestick patterns and formation of candlestick, like formation of structures like head and shoulder, um, double bottom, descending channel, triangle and stuff. Okay, if you know uh, pure naked forex, you'll know what I'm talking about. Because some most if I not let me not say all, but most of the people like using trend lines, and some people use indicators. So as you can see here, Nasdaq is probably correcting, like it's in a correction since it made this impulsive move. This is what we call a pole. This is what we call a pole, a pole, then the flag. Then from there, I'm anticipating a continuation to the upside since the market move in impulse and correction. So the market move impulsively, corrected, and then continuation to the upside. So I'm anticipating that Nasdaq gonna form new rocket highs. New highs, and this level is, I think there's a liquidation zone here, if I'm not mistaken. This market was just trapping people at the wrong side of the market. People thought that this market gonna sell long, but I strongly believe that Nasdaq is gonna buy. It's gonna buy from here. Let me just zoom out and see. Just check. The market was supposed to hit the previous high and then break above the previous high and go for record high. So let me go look for let me analyze another pair. As you can see from me, anticipating that Nasdaq will be buying. I'm bullish on Nasdaq, but don't know, I will be waiting is for more confirmations, guys. So for now, I'm not gonna enter without the confirmation, because it will be very risky to enter markets without getting any confirmation. The first confirmation is that the market is correcting. It's in a correction, and we still need more confirmation for us to enter the market. And where I'll be waiting till Nasdaq break out from this channel. Once it break out from this channel, from this descending channel, that is where I'm gonna place my entries. So I'll place my entries probably at pullback somewhere here. Or if it happen to pull back here, that is where I'm gonna enter my enter my trade. Then I'll hold. And let me look for a last pair that I can analyze. Sorry guys, my English might be bad, and it always has to come. The only thing that is important is the knowledge. First you invest in your knowledge before you make anything. So last year December, I was just last week I was trading this pair GJ, and they are good things. They are nice. I saw a nice pattern here. This was the previous uh, 4 hour, like previous 4 hour high, and that is where the market is heading to. That is where the market is heading. Let me see if this one can rotate. Okay, good. As you can see there, that is where the market is heading for. Before I saw that, there was this descending channel that I saw. Descending channel that I saw before I sold. I saw this beautiful descending channel with a nice retest. You see, it's with a nice retest. I think that is where I bought Nasdaq GJ. That is where I bought this pair GJ at the a retest of the trend line. But when immediately when I saw that there was a retest here, I entered. Then I was holding, as you can see. Just see that most of the time, if you see a flag, descending flag, there is always gonna be a breakout to the upside. If you see a ascending channel, it's obvious you will see you will be expecting sales. You see, that's how I trade. That's how my strategy is. If I see channel being evaluated, retested, I enter. Sometimes the market doesn't retest. Sometimes the market just shoot up. Then from here, anticipating that this GJ is gonna form a double top structure, as you can see, a double top structure on H4. Then we're gonna look for probably selling opportunity again till this zone. That is where you're gonna probably look for sales. Since the market is moving in a ascending correction, I'm anticipating that there will be a sell soon on GJ. That's how it's gonna be. As you can see, guys, since the market is rallying towards the previous daily, if it can be daily, it can be H4 high. That is where I'm still holding probably on my other XNES account, the GJ buys. I'm still holding, and also I was holding the Bitcoin because those accounts will be for Bitcoin. Like most of my XNES account will be only for Bitcoin, and then like these ones will be only for stocks like let me say um, uh, if X or IFX, it's gonna be for stock indexes and currency, and and XNET gonna be for cryptos and stocks itself. Because I'm also interested in buying like stocks like Tesla, Microsoft, and stuff. That is what I'm gonna want. That was also part of my goal for this year. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have learned anything from here. And please, the broker that I'm using, I will write it down on the comment section. I mean in the description box. And please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'm sure I'll be bringing out more content like each and every day based on like what I will be trading, and I'll also share my result with you. And please do follow me on my Instagram My Instagram name is Sindano underscore Nasdaq, and follow me on uh, on YouTube. My YouTube channel name is Sindano Nasdaq, and join with the link in the description to join my public Telegram group where I share setups, signals for like Nasdaq, US 30, German 30, and stuff. So I thank you guys and have a blessed year ahead and stay safe. This is Indano speaking, signing out.